Hey everyone, today we're taking a close look at the brand new 2025 Tricycle Camper. And let me tell you, this thing is one of the most exciting innovations we've seen in the world of compact travel. At first glance, the camper looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, a modern aerodynamic shell attached to a sturdy electric trike base. But beyond the looks, what truly makes it special is how it balances design, mobility, and comfort into one practical unit. Whether you're planning a road-free camping trip, want to cruise around eco-style, or simply love minimalist travel, this could be the perfect companion. One of the most impressive updates in the 2025 model is its completely redesigned frame. It uses aerospace-grade aluminum that is both lightweight and incredibly durable. This makes pedaling feel effortless, while also withstanding rough roads, light off-roading, and long-haul rides. Plus, the camper's body is aerodynamically optimized to reduce wind resistance, meaning better efficiency and improved battery life. It feels smooth, nimble, and incredibly stable on the road, a big leap forward compared to older models. The electric assist system has also seen a major upgrade. With a powerful hub motor and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, you now get up to 70 kilometers of range on a single charge. There are multiple riding modes, including pedal-only for exercise, hybrid for efficient cruising, and full electric for those longer rides or steeper inclines. The transition between these modes is seamless and can be adjusted on the fly-through. The built-in control unit on the handlebars. The battery is removable too, so you can charge it separately, which is super handy if you park your camper somewhere and want to top up the power inside your home or garage. Inside. The camper is a masterclass in efficient space design. Despite the compact exterior, the interior feels roomy and functional. The convertible sleeping space folds down into a surprisingly comfortable bed, and during the day, it doubles as a seating or workspace area. The 2025 model also includes a modular kitchen pod with a portable stove, collapsible sink, and food prep station that slides out when needed and hides away when not in use. There's also a 20-liter water tank and a gray water drainage system built in, so you're not just stuck with the basics, you can actually cook, clean, and stay comfortably off-grid for days. One of my favorite features is the solar panel. System mounted on the camper's roof, it provides up to 200 watts of clean energy, which powers the lights, ventilation fan, USB charging ports, and even a small 12-volt fridge if you decide to add it. You also get a smart control hub with a touchscreen display that shows your solar input, battery status, and even the internal temperature. Everything is easy to manage and gives you full control over your environment, which is essential if you're out in the wild or trying to conserve power during cloudy days. Storage options are equally impressive. There are built-in compartments beneath the sleeping platform, behind the sidewalls, and even under the frame of the trike itself. You can pack clothes, camping gear, food, emergency tools, basically everything you need for a weekend or even a full week on the road. And thanks to the well-distributed weight and low center of gravity, the camper never feels wobbly, even when fully loaded. Comfort has also been taken up a notch. The camper is now better insulated with eco-foam padding that keeps you warm during colder nights and cool during the day. The windows are double glazed and come with built-in mesh screens and blackout covers for